Welcome to week 14. We are doing analysis this week. So let's take a look. We have two blog posts. One is pretty simple and the other one's a little more complex, but both of them are absolutely doable as well as working with the Bridge Music Project this week. So let's take a look. First off, make sure that you do the GTD at the beginning of the week, and that is what we're doing every week now to make sure you're planning well. The next thing is when I click on this project, you will notice, it's shy. When I click on this, it takes me over to this blog post, which is the week 14 blog post. This is the same as always, so just copy and paste this whole thing into your blog. And I have a fun image and a good quote. Summary is the same as always, just write this last 1 to 2 sentences about what we did this week. In the classroom, I want you to spend about 30 minutes. You're going to make another blog post, and that's what this is detailing here, and you can click on the link here to do that. This one is, I want you to take a look at this document because it's really great for mental health, self-care, and there's a number of resources in here. Take a look at that for about 5 minutes, and then go for a walk, and here's a larger version. Go for a walk for 10 minutes and think about it, and then just write a little reflection here. And for 10 minutes, we're talking just a few minutes. I'll change this. You don't need to write for 10 minutes. Then delete that section. The concert is a new section of the blog post. This week you're listening to a song a number of times, so you can do some critique of the song. And so the concert is going to be when we're actually listening to music, exploring things, and this will be something we'll use for the rest of the year. The last two parts here are the same as always. So just fill that in, and just a reminder to fill in this activity piece. And you'll notice that, for instance, this week we only have a classroom and we only have the outside component. So you can just put how much time you spent on those two things. So this shouldn't take very long to work on that blog post. When you click on the song analysis blog post, you will notice that you copy and paste this into a blog and just follow the directions here, song analysis, the name of the song. And then embed a video of the song, but make sure there's no bad language or bad behavior, overt drug use or sexual references in the video, but put that at the top of the post because that'll look really cool. So we'd have the title, and then we'd have the embedded video, and then delete my directions. The rest of the stuff I want you to fill in. Song title, composer, the year, the country, what's its genre, key. Now check this out. If you drag over the word, oh my gosh, I embedded the definitions. Now if you click on the word, it takes you to Wikipedia with the full definition. But in each one of these terms, I embedded the code for the full definition of it, so you can just drag over it and you'll get the whole thing. But go ahead and answer the questions for each one of these components of the song. Okay? At the bottom here, I have a quote about what a song is. I thought that was kind of fun. And then here is how you can look up that particular song's tempo and key. Go to Hook Theory. But I also have a few other resources that are based in Hook Theory that I think you might want to explore. Common chord progressions, exploring beginner tabs, and so on. And just remember that when you go into look up a particular song, let's just say if I have a particular U2 song, you can find, if I go to With or Without You, you will see, wait for it, the tempo is right here, and you will also see the key. So it's D major and the tempo, and then I can explore some other things about the song. All right, well that is the work for this week, and we have a special guest coming in for the Bridge Music Project on Friday, so be sure to be there on time. I think you're going to like it, because I'm going to pop some tags.